At Ratio Cacao Roasters, we use traditional chocolate making techniques to bring you handcrafted chocolate bars. Making Ratio chocolate is a careful step-by-step process. By sourcing small batches from a single origin, we are able to select beans featuring unique, high flavor notes and quality. The cracked beans are then put through our winnower, which uses airflow to separate the lighter husk from the heavier cacao nib. Cacao nibs are now ground down and mixed with sugar for dark chocolate or sugar, cacao butter and milk powder for milk chocolate. The tempered liquid chocolate is poured into molds, set in a cooling room, then unmolded. We wrap each bar in foil by hand, then insert into our carefully folded boxes made from 100% recycled paper and add our label. Our carefully made chocolate bars are now ready for you to enjoy. Available from our factory in Brunswick with a selection of chocolate desserts and drinks, or purchase online.